Hi everyone. So today is my first anniversary and we're going to celebrate. So we are just going to have dinner and we're going to Soho House. As of now we have decided we are going there, but in case if we don't like it over there, though it's a very good place, then we'll go to Marriott, I guess. Yes. So yes, I'll take you along with me, and thank you so much for all the likes and shares, and please do watch my videos. Hi guys, so we went to Soho and I didn't get my preferred table. Actually I wanted on the seaside, but we reached there pretty late, so they cancelled our table, and so we came to Marriott, and the buffet looks amazing over here. So I'm damn hungry. So let's get started. Guys, there is like huge option. I don't know where should I start from. I want to eat Chinese though, but they have a lot of options. My head looks so bad. Oh my god. But I love popsicle. Too good. And there is cham cham also, Bengali sweet. Guys, मैंने तो कुछ भी खाया नहीं. I just had Chinese. पता नहीं यार, मैं तो खा ही नहीं पाई. But पार्थ ने, मुझे नहीं लगता है कोई भी ऐसा डिश हो जो छोड़ा है. उसने सारा सब कुछ ट्राई किया है, सब कुछ. Hi guys, so this is what I'm wearing. It's a gown, and my husband just got this bag for me. It's from Valentino, and also he got this. He gifted me this nice footwear. They are also from Valentino. So yes, and my dress is from Zara. It's a very old dress though. It's like very old collection, 2 years back. Yeah.
Fans, awesome. So like nobody's gonna judge.
Guys, we are done, and यहाँ पे ना पूरा शादी वाला क्राउड है. और इतना चिल्ला रहा है. And I'm waiting for part to come actually. और मुझे इतनी अच्छी रील बनानी है ना यहाँ पे. I want to make a good reel and click few pictures, but my husband, he doesn't like it. He's like, behave yourself, Hima. So, but I'll make sure that I'm taking a lot of pictures, good reel, few videos and all. So yes, I'm waiting. Guys, can you see this building? Which building is this यार? पार्क, मुझे यहाँ पे रहना है बस.
Either it should be World 1 or Palacios Royal.
अच्छा.
I don't know.
जो भी है, मेरे को यहाँ पे रहना है बस.